Michelle and G.R. Pinar versus Miguel and Jonathan Laza. Court number
Standby Court 6. Standby Court 6. William Rivera and John Lee of PSS versus Ramil Capilla and Era Alvarez of PSG. Standby Court 6. William Rivera and John Lee of PSS versus Ramil Capilla and Era Alvarez of PSG. Please stand by in Court 6. Calling Adrian de la Cruz 8 Hines de la Cruz. Please approach the match control table. Calling the players for Court 6. William Rivera and John Lee of PSS versus Ramil Capilla and Era Alvarez of PSG.
Standby players in court number 1. Standby players in court number 1. From Team SDL, Tony and Del versus PSG, Butch and Shine Vergara.
Wala ko katay. Kumain na ako. Bago ako pumesto dito. Ikaw. Meron kang meron. Kita lang. Kita lang yung mukha ni Mother.
Versus Alison Abayan and Mila Rani Palco.
Kasi matagal na ako nag-palco. Tapos 392 ba? Mas
Players in court number 2, Annalyn and Arman versus Alison and Mila. Court number 2.
Standby on Court court 7, stand by in court 7. Kevin Labacon and Andy Flores of SPR versus Alex Alok and Rosemary Corbon of Valdo. Stand by in court 7. Kevin Labacon and Andy Flores versus Alex Alok and Rosemary Corbon. Please stand by in court 7. Next players for court 7. Next players for court 7. Calling the players from SPR, Ellen Cabacon and Andy Flores versus Alex Alok and Rosemary Corbon of Valdo. Please proceed to court 7. Umpire for court 7. The next worksheet will be handed to you. Umpire of court 7, your worksheet will be handed to you.
Go, Ginge! Go, Rafi!
Kaya nga eh. Kasi mag-error sila kagad. Hindi kahit error. Basta nag-score yung kalaban.
Umpire court 7, your score sheet is being handed to you.
Ala ko nung ulo pag sila matakakot. Patay pala na makakot. Kahit nga hindi siya magkita. Kasi nakascore yung ano.
Rexy! Rex!
Stand by on court 5. Stand by on court 5. David Batalla and Jessie Marie Garuda of PSG versus Julian Francisco and Josh Shimei of SPR. Stand by on court 5. Julian Francisco and Josh Shimei of SPR versus David Batalla and Jessie Marie Garuda of PSG. Stand by on court 5. Stand by on court 8. Court 8 from PSG. DJ Gustombrado and Joy Amigo versus from PSG, Jay Manhubi and Rose Manhubi. Stand by court 8. DJ Gustombrado and Joy Amigo versus Jay and Rose Manhubi, both from PSG.
Line guard on court number 2. Apple and D. Line judge on court number 2. Yeah. Stand by on court number 4. Stand by on court number 4. Tiffany and Johnny Montero versus Vines and William. Stand by on court number 4.
Players for court 8, players for court 8. DJ Pascual and Joy Ipugo from PSG versus Jalen Ludwig and Rosemary Ludwig of PSG. Please proceed to court 8. Umpire for court 8, your next score sheet will be handed to you. Umpire of court 8, your next score sheet will be handed to you. Please wait for it. Following players for court number 5, David Batania and Jessa Marie Berlinda, PSG versus Julian Francisco and Josh Shinway of SBO. Please visit court 5.
Tuwan kayo.
Players of court number 4, Tiffany Ocampo and John Manfero
Ano, nakaka-
versus PSS Vines and William. Court number